Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So I've had a pan heating up on a high heat and it's starting to smoke a little bit, so we better get things in. So I'm just going to pop a bit of oil in, and then you want about 1 chopped onion. There we go. And the great thing about using frozen onion is that it just cooks so quickly because the cell walls have already been broken down. So we'll just get that like in seconds. We don't want it to brown too much, and then we'll get in our meat. And then I'm going to break it up. And I'm still on a high heat here. Actually, so while that's cooking, we'll get in our spices. So we want half a teaspoon of salt, fine salt. And then 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, which just has this lovely, lovely smoky flavor. If you can't get smoked paprika, regular paprika will be okay, but I'd probably use 4 teaspoons instead. Or you can use other spices, like you could use cumin or coriander or any spice blends that you have floating around, or even curry powder. So using curry powder, probably 1 teaspoon would be enough. Okay, and we're just going to keep cooking. Okay, so that's looking cooked. So we're going to get that off the heat. And we just want... So this is meant to be spicy beef and baba ganoush, but of course, or eggplant. When I went to the supermarket, they were all out of eggplant dips. So this is actually some caramelized onion hummus, but we're going to imagine, I know you're good at imagining, that this is eggplant dip. But yeah, like anything will be, hummus will be great, is great here as well. And then we're just going to get our beef on top. Beautiful. And I should have said, like, you don't have to use beef. You could use any, any ground or minced meat, or you could even use, sliced chicken. Like, it doesn't have to be minced or ground. And then we're going to finish it with some baby spinach. Or you could use any veggies that you like, any cooked veggies or any salad veggies. But it's probably enough. And some walnuts again, or any other roast nuts. So I'm just going to break my walnuts up a bit and sprinkle it on top. And there you go, dinner is ready. And if I'm serving this for the boys, I would serve it with wraps. So there we go. And I should have mentioned before with the beef, like I probably didn't need the oil in the beginning, but I just do that out of habit. So if your mince if your meat has some fat in it, don't worry about it. Like, you don't need the oil. And yeah, this works really well with lentils or chickpeas as well. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.